एनडीए हुकूमत की तीसरी मियाद के पहले बजट पर मिले जुले रद्द-ए-अमल का इजहार किया जा रहा है। मरकजी वजीर खजाना निर्मला सीतारमन की जानिब से पेश किए गए बजट पर डॉक्टर नजीफा बेगम मकानदार ने अपने तासुरात का इजहार किया है। डॉक्टर नजीफा बेगम मकानदार माशियात इकोनॉमिक्स की लेक्चरर हैं और हुबली की अंजुमन डिग्री कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन की प्रिंसिपल हैं। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं डॉक्टर नजीफा बेगम मकानदार, प्रिंसिपल आर्ट्स एंड कॉमर्स कॉलेज फॉर वुमेन हुबली। कल जो बजट पेश किया गया है पार्लियामेंट में, हमारी फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर श्रीमती निर्मला सीतारमन जी के तरफ से, उसके कुछ हाइलाइट्स पेश करना चाहूँगी। पहली बार तो हमारी फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर पहली वुमेन फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर हैं जिसने 7वीं बार अपना सेंट्रल बजट पेश किया है। उसके हाइलाइट्स कुछ यूँ हैं। द हाइलाइट्स आर एज फॉलोज। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, वी वेलकम हर इनिशिएटिव टू स्क्रैप और abolish the angel taxes which had pressurized the new startups to continue with their capital formation. Now, with the abolition of this angel tax, they are free to collect their capital by various sources and the tax burden will be reduced. Apart from that, she has also announced to increase the tax slabs on pensioners, which will release their or increase their ability to cope up with their family budget and all those things. Apart from that, some of the initiatives are very much welcome, including the expenditure made by the hospital sectors, education, all those things. Though Finance Minister has taken more leadership qualities and initiative towards the common people, yet we are a bit discouraged that students did not get any share from this budget, neither the common people and not the salaried people who have been looking forward for some share in the central budget.
Disappointments is also with these budgets.
Yes, sir. The common people, especially women and farmers also, though they have increased that agriculture sector will be given more research centers and all those things, but that doesn't help the common farmers to come up with the cultivation process and all that. So all in all, this is an average budget, but yes, with certain initiatives, it is a few steps towards the Vikasit Bharat, which is to be achieved by 2047.
This is the first budget of Modi.
This is the first budget of the third session of Modi government, that is third turn of the Modi government. It is a welcome initiative obviously, but we are in a split of opinion whether it should be welcomed or rejected and all those things. Yes, all in all, it is an average budget.
Huge expectations of
common people and especially students, below poverty people had huge expectations from the budget, but they did not get any proper share from that. Two main sectors of expenditure in middle age classes is expenditure on hospitality, that is healthcare, and education, but neither of the two sectors has been targeted or no relief has been given to these sectors.
What about the industrial sector?
Industrial sector, yes, as I told, startups have been given more initiative with the scrapping or abolition of angel taxes. Apart from that, industries have been given more importance. They have taken initiative to give more finance to MSMEs, that is small scale, medium and large scale industries for new startup. FDI is also given more importance, that is in the present era or in this financial year, foreign direct investment will be welcome from other countries.
What about social sector?
Social sector is also given importance, that is more social entrepreneurship will be given importance, and more of the research and technological institutions will be encouraged to have more research oriented projects.
Towards education, what is the budget?
That is what, as I mentioned, more picks are towards education. Though nursing colleges, industrial technical institutions or ITIs will be established, but there is no target to release the pressure on common people on paying the fees of nowadays the
College fees.
Primary until higher education, what fees have been increased by the schools and colleges or educational institution, that burden is not released from the common person.
Finally, what is your...
Finally, all in all, it is a mixed budget, and our opinion is also mixed because we cannot wholeheartedly welcome it also, because we are not the startup oriented people, we are educationists. So we want to release some pressure from the common people or student community. But yes, it is an average budget. Mixed reaction can be given. I congratulate our Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman ji, who has been working with our dynamic and very much far-sighted Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji towards the achievement of Viksit Bharat.